Dear student, we know that a function has an inverse if and only if it is 1 1 and onto. We know that trigonometric functions sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec all are periodic functions, and that is why they are not 1 1 functions. They are many one functions. Therefore, they cannot have an inverse. Only two functions, tan and cot, are onto. Remaining four functions, sine, cos, sec and cosec, are not onto. Therefore, inverse of trigonometric functions do not exist. If we want to obtain inverse of trigonometric functions, we must restrict their domains in such a way that they become 1 1 and onto. Basically, what are the domains and codomains of trigonometric functions? Do you remember? Yes, you can see this table: domain, codomain, range and correspondence of the function. What is the nature of the function? Function: sine, cos, tan, cot, sec and cosec. The domain of sine function is R, the codomain is R, range is -1 to +1, and the nature of the function is not 1 1, not onto. This function is not onto, sine function is not onto. You can see clearly that codomain and the range both are not equal. Similarly, cos function is not 1 1 and not onto. Tan function: the domain is R minus 2k plus 1 pi by 2, k belongs to Z. Codomain is R, range is R. This function is not 1 1, but it is onto. Why? Because the codomain and the range both are equal. So tan and cot function are onto, but not 1 1. What is the nature of sec and cosec function? Sec function is not on 1 1 and not onto. Same way, cosec function is also not 1 1 and not onto. By illustration, we can understand that, for example, if R to R, fx is equal to sine x. Draw unit circle. You all already know it. A 1 0, B 0 1, A dash -1 0, B dash 0 -1, and this is the origin. Suppose x or theta is equal to 0, A is corresponding with 0, B is corresponding with real number pi by 2, A dash is corresponding with pi, B dash is corresponding with real number 3 pi by 2, again A is corresponding with real number 2 pi, B is corresponding with real number 5 pi by 2, A dash is corresponding with 3 pi, B dash is corresponding with 5 pi by 2. This is anti-clockwise rotation. So all values are positive. Now put the value of x. Suppose x is equal to 0. Then what is the value of f0? Sine 0, value is 0. Suppose x equal to pi by 2. What is the value of f pi by 2? Sine pi by 2. Value of sine pi by 2 is 1. You can see here. The y coordinate is sine. Pi by 2 is corresponding with b, and the y coordinate of b is 1. If x equal to pi, so f pi is equal to sine pi. Sine pi is equal to -1. So value of sine pi is -1. If x equal to 3 pi by 2, so f 3 pi by 2. Sine 3 pi by 2 is equal to minus 1. Here x equal to pi, so f pi is 0. X equal to 2 pi, so f 2 pi is equal to 0. If x equal to 5 pi by 2, the value of 5 pi by 2, f 5 pi by 2 is sine 5 pi by 2, and the y coordinate of B is 1. From those illustration, from those values, you can see pi by 2 and 5 pi by 2 are not equal, but f pi by 2 is equal to f 5 pi by 2 is equal to 1. Another illustration, 0 and 2 pi both are not equal, but f0 is equal to f2 pi is equal to 1. So it is clear that sine function is not one function. Now find the range of this function. What is the range of this function? Here, range of sine function is equal to closed interval -1 to +1. You can see the lowest value or minimum value of sine function is -1 and the maximum value of sine function is 1. So the range of this function is -1 to +1. So range of sine function is equal to not codomain, is equal to not R. R is the codomain of sine function. So sine function is not onto. In this way, you can understand about all trigonometric function. And you can see all trigonometric functions are not 1. Similarly, only tan and cot are onto functions, remaining 4 functions are not onto also. Then how can we find the inverse function of trigonometric function? We will see in next lecture.